When you search for the best USB TV tuners, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Mediasonic HomeWorks HW250STB. Let's kick things off with the Mediasonic HomeWorks HW250STB. Priced at $39.99. This USB TV tuner caught my attention with its strong customer ratings, sitting at 4.0 stars from over 860 reviews. If you want a reliable way to record and watch live TV, this is worth a serious look. The HomeWorks HW250STB is designed specifically for those who want to convert over-the-air signals to watch on analog or digital TVs. Its 1080p HDMI output means you can enjoy high-definition viewing, which is essential for those late-night binge sessions. Plus, with the ability to record live TV directly to a USB hard drive up to 2 terabytes, you won't miss your favorite shows anymore. The clear QAM function is a great addition, allowing you to catch unscrambled cable channels, which is a hidden gem for cable users. Now, I do want to mention that some users reported issues with the lack of support for ATSC 3.0, meaning you won't be able to access the latest broadcast standards. But here's the thing. If you're looking for a solid option to work with existing setups, this isn't a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic choice for the price. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution for recording and viewing live TV. Skip this one if you specifically need the latest ATSC standards or plan to upgrade your TV setup in the near future. For under $40, it offers great value for money. Now, if the lack of ATSC 3.0 support bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ZJBOX Digital Converter Box. Next up is the ZJBOX Digital Converter Box, which is priced at $34.99. With a similar 4.0 star rating from 414 reviews, this product caught my eye for its compact design that easily hides behind your TV. If you're looking for something sleek and efficient, this one is worth a serious look. The ZJBOX is perfect for people with wall-mounted TVs. It's designed to be discreet while still offering top-notch performance. It supports 1080p HD output, so your viewing experience won't suffer. Plus, the 2-in-1 remote control is a nice touch, allowing you to manage both your TV and the tuner with a single device. The scheduling recording feature is another highlight, enabling you to catch all your favorite shows without hassle. However, some users found the remote pairing tricky, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing. Once you get it set up, the convenience it provides is totally worth it. This is an ideal option if you're looking for a compact and reliable tuner. This is perfect for you if you prefer a neat setup behind your TV with functionality. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with technology or require a more straightforward remote experience. For the price, it's solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a universal solution. Product number 3, iView 3300 STB. The iView 3300 STB is next on our list, priced at just $28.95 and holding a 3.9 star rating from 4,300 reviews. This product caught my attention for its versatility, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing analog to digital conversion. If you want a budget-friendly option for older TVs, this is worth a serious look. What's great about the iView is its universal media player capability. It allows you to save TV programs and even play back media files from a USB drive, which is a fantastic feature for film lovers. It also supports clear QAM, giving you access to unscrambled cable channels. With its compact and straightforward design, almost anyone can set it up without a headache. However, some users mentioned that the build quality feels a bit cheap. But honestly, for a budget device, it performs surprisingly well. If you're looking for something that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is a worthy contender. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and need versatility in your media options. Skip this one if you expect premium build quality or are looking for advanced features. Given its price, it's a steal. Now, if you want something with more advanced features, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Orsland 2026 ATSC Tuner Box. The fourth product is the 2026 Owersland Digital Converter Box, coming in at $33.98 and holding a 3.9-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews. What stood out to me here is its impressive compactness. This little guy is 75% smaller than typical tuners. If you want space-saving technology without sacrificing performance, this is worth a serious look. The Owersland tuner not only receives ATSC broadcast signals, but also allows you to record shows for later viewing. Its HDMI output supporting 1080p ensures that you get a crisp picture, and the inclusion of both HDMI and 3 RCA cables means you can set it up right away without additional purchases. The real-time DVR recording is a feature that many users will love, allowing you to capture your favorite moments. That said, some users found the installation challenging, especially if they're not tech-savvy. But here's the thing. Once you get through the setup, the performance is commendable for the price range. If you're someone who values compact design and functionality, this product is ideal. This is perfect for you if you need a compact option that's easy to store and set up. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward setup process or have older television models without HDMI ports. At this price, it offers great value. Now, if you're ready to step into the future of broadcasting, let's check out our final product. Product number 5, HD Home Run Flex 4K. Finally, we have the HD Home Run Flex 4K, priced at $199.99 with a solid 4.1-star rating from 1,900 reviews. This product is a bit of a leap in price, but if you want future-proofing in your setup, this is worth a serious look. The Flex 4K offers a whole-home DVR solution, allowing you to watch live TV on multiple devices simultaneously. It supports both ATSC 1.0 and the next-generation ATSC 3.0, making it an excellent choice for those looking to keep up with evolving technology. The flexibility to connect to various devices like Android, Fire TV, and Roku enhances its usability, which is a big plus for tech lovers. However, some users were disappointed with the initial setup complexity and the need for a USB hard drive. But I'll be real with you. If you're serious about cutting the cord and want a future-ready solution, the investment could pay off big time. This is a premium choice that truly stands out. This is perfect for you if you want a next-gen solution that's compatible with a variety of devices. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward plug-and-play option. It's a higher price point, but it offers incredible value for those wanting to future-proof their entertainment setup. So there you have it. From the budget-friendly Mediasonic Homeworks to the advanced HD Home Run Flex 4K, each of these USB TV tuners has its unique strengths. Whether you're looking for simplicity, compact design, or next-gen capabilities, there's an option here for everyone. Choose wisely based on your needs and enjoy your TV viewing.